Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting Python video, and in this video we are going to create a pie chart, as this is the series of the Matplotlib tutorial. I hope you guys have come through all the videos that I made since from the beginning. If you guys didn't see, then I want you guys to first follow all of those videos, all of the series of these videos, and then come to this pie chart so that you guys can understand the flow of how Matplotlib exactly works. So yeah, let's get started. In this video, we are going to work with pie chart. Let me show you how to create a pie chart. Before that, let's import Matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and then let's give some data. So let me give the countries, and the countries will be India, USA, Angola, some names, and let me give some dummy values, which will be named as sizes. You have to give in this way, and here you have to give a list. And now we also need explode. I will tell you why we use this explode. Zero. Now let's create a pie chart. So just give plt.pie, which is pie, and we'll just give sizes equal to sizes. And we will give labels as countries, and we also need colors. So let's just give colors equal to light sky blue, gold, orange, some colors, green, purple, and we'll give colors equal to colors, and we'll give explode. And if you see, and if you run this one, and here we just have to give sizes. That's it. Okay, it's looking good. And here we'll give red. And here we'll give light sky blue. And yeah, it looks something like this. And If you want, you can also see the percentages by this. Just give 1.1, and here this is the format, and you can also give start angle from 45 degrees, and you can also give shadow to true, so that you can see it as a 3D pie chart, something like that. And if you run this one, you're going to see something like this. If you want, you can even change the angle from 45 to 140. Now if you see here, the first one starts from here, and then everything goes like this. Red is too much. Let us change it to light red. Let's see, do that color exist? You just have to play with those colors until, okay, there is no such color. Got it. We'll give saffron. Let's give you can play with those colors if you want. For now, light coral, and this will be yellow green. Now it looks better. So yeah, something like this you can make, and if you want to see these labels, you can just give plt.legend. There's a method called legend where you can give all the labels, or you can give countries here, comma location. Let's just give upper right. Yeah, this looks something like this, and you can see India, USA, Angola, Brazil, Japan, and these are the labels. If you want, you can even play with the the location of this one. Here we have all the locations, like you can keep it in upper right, upper left, lower left, something like that. If you want, you can play with that attribute as well. And for now, it's fine. So yeah, that's all about pie chart. I hope you guys learned something new and interesting today, especially with these pie chart. And yeah, it is really interesting playing with the given data and representing the charts using Matplotlib. And don't worry, soon we are going to work with the dashboard as well, which is a project. There's one more video that I'm gonna explain you about how to save this pie chart and how to save all the graphs, and then you are going to work with the project, and that will be released soon. So if you guys are still here and if you guys learned something new and interesting, then what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button so that you guys will never miss any update from us. And yeah, see you in the next video.